Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about how to change Squarespace template on 7.1. Complete tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you are already logged in, you might be taken directly to your dashboard. Otherwise, look for the login button on the homepage and click it. A convenient option for many is the Continue with Google button, which allows you to use your Google account to access Squarespace. Once logged in, you will see a list of your Squarespace sites. If you manage more than one, find the website you wish to update and click on it. This will take you to the main dashboard where you have control over all aspects of your site. Next, navigate to the Style section of your dashboard, which is where you can customize various design elements of your site, including changing your template. Within the Style section, look for the Themes option. Clicking this will open a gallery of available templates for your website. The gallery offers a wide range of styles to suit different tastes and functionalities. So take your time exploring. Once you find a theme that resonates with your vision, simply click on it to apply it to your website. You can also preview the theme first to see how it will change your site's appearance before fully committing. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.